you ever experienced when you log into a website and you click on a particular menu and then you can't go back to home? Hi guys, Favor Kelvin here, and you're welcome to day one of starting my career as a UI UX designer. So UI UX design stands for user interface and user experience design. UI, which is the user interface, focuses on the look and feel of an app, a website, or a desktop app, whatever. How does it look and feel? It focuses on the typography, the fonts, the colors. Font, colors. Basically, how does it look? What's the layout and everything like. UX design focuses on, like I said, it means user experience, and it focuses on how does the customer feel when they use this product. Is it easy to use? Is it fun to use? Have you ever experienced when you log into a website and you click on a particular menu and then you can't go back to home? You can't go back to the home page. It's so hard. You're struggling. How can I find the home button? Or where is this particular product? I can't find this product. I said I wanted to look for this product. I can't find the product. So those kind of issues are the issues that a user experience designer solves. He makes sure that the micro interactions within the app are seamless and fun. Moving on, let's talk about what I call the design cycle. Okay, for every UI UX design you're going to do, there is a system that you should follow to help you make sure that you're giving your all and you're doing your best. So the first thing you want to do is to plan. Bible says that which person wants to build a house and doesn't sit down to count the cost? Even God talks about the need for planning. So plan, what kind of website do I want to build? What kind of app do I want to build? Is it a mobile app? Is it a desktop app? What kind of app do I want to put out there? How do I want the user? How do I want each page to transit into the next? How do I want each button to function and all that? Maybe that's where your sketching comes in. Maybe that's where you just put your thoughts down on paper. The next thing you want to do is everything you have planned, you need to make sure that you bring them to life, which is what we call the designing. So the first thing is planning. The second thing is designing. Like, go on and just get started. When you're through with the design stage, the next thing you want to do is to move your design to a developer to implement in the website you want him to implement it, or in the app you want him to implement it. Note that it is best for UI UX designers to have a little knowledge in web development, using programs like HTML, CSS, so that it's easier for you to move through these stages and you just know how your design ideas should really, really look and feel, because you already have a basic knowledge on how the website should work. So there is that. After your web developer or you implement this design on your website or your app or your desktop app or whatever, after the implementing is done, you want to launch the product. You want to get the product out there for people to use, really interact with. And after launching it, you'll think it stops there, but it doesn't. You want to monitor what you're doing. Monitoring is so important so you can gather data. One thing I learned as a social media manager is you need to monitor, because when you monitor, analyze the data, and then use that to make adjustments to the app or to whatever it is that you're working for, to the social media platform or whatever. So that is one thing I took from social media management, and that is something that is key everywhere. Learn to analyze data and use that data to make adjustments to the app. And then when you finish analyzing, monitoring and all that, you want to make adjustments, which now takes you back to planning. You have to start planning the adjustment and all that, and designing the adjustment again. So it now becomes like a loop where you keep planning, designing, implementing, launching, monitor, plan, design, implement, monitor. It just keeps going on and on like that. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Favor Kelvin again. Check out my podcast, The Favor Kelvin Show. It's on iTunes, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Amazon. I share a lot about the inspirations I get, my journeys in different aspects. One of my best or most listened to videos is how to overcome fear and anxiety. And the second one is how to start an online business in 2024. So I recommend that you go and check those out so you can get content that I've put out there in the past. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.